Kevin, thanks. Well, it's a construction project that we have been following for months now, focused on Robinson Road right near Lake Drive in Eastown. Well, this summer we touched base with some of those businesses impacted and saw the challenges they're now facing as they are seeing significantly fewer customers. Well, this morning, one of those businesses is celebrating the reopening of the street in a very special way. Fox 17's Lauren Lenzy joining us from Pursuit of Happiness in Grand Rapids. Lauren, one of my favorite spots. They've got a good Negroni if you want that, but that's not what you're here to tell us about. Tell us what they're doing today.
Yeah, good morning, Elliot. I'll have to give that a try. It's been a long-awaited time here since the construction at Robinson Road and Lake Drive is finally complete, and local businesses have really been impacted. One in particular, obviously, Pursuit of Happiness here, and I'm joined by the owner, Wendy Wasink. Wendy, we talked a lot about the impacts that it's had on surrounding businesses, your business. How does it feel? What is the lead up now to this day and finally having all these barrels gone and a business open?
Well, it's interesting because the road construction project was nearly 5 months long. And of course, we had some prep and knowledge beforehand. And like any great story or any great movie, this was the same. Anticipation, characters, highs and lows, a lot of emotion and a roller coaster. Certainly we had moments that were great and fun, laughter and team building. But there were some scary moments where we were not genuinely sure whether we would make it. So it's, again, like any great movie, we're at the finish line.
At the finish line.
It's the climax, and we made it. All of our staff is still with us, and we've had a lot of great moments, and it just feels amazing. It's like seeing a movie end the way that you want it to end. And with the holidays coming and everything, we're just really full of optimism and probably more excited than we should be.
No, it's great. It's super exciting. And I'm curious too, I know business was open during the construction, and I'm sure people were still coming in. I mean, what does it mean as a business owner to have that local support throughout that time, and now even more so that it's open?
Yeah, it was everything. And honestly, that kind of support means so much. And what people don't think about is we had quite a few people that were literally trudging in here through the mud in boots to come when we were at like the height of construction. But sometimes even just sharing a social media post or sending a note and reminding people was like receiving a hug from the community. And we needed that moral support too, because it was pretty daunting at times.
I can imagine. And for people who are wanting to come in here and enjoy everything that your business has to offer, what does Pursuit of Happiness have for everyone to come and enjoy?
Yeah, we are a light-hearted spritz cocktail bar, and we have small plates. We have a full liquor license, so if people say, oh, I don't really like bubbles, or I'm not a spritz person, oh, we have beer, we have NA, we have Madcap Espresso, and most of all what we deliver is just a unique vibe, I think, to West Michigan.
Absolutely. And your unique vibe is now open for business for everybody. Construction is clear. And Pursuit of Happiness will also be hosting a champagne toast and a ribbon cutting later this afternoon. For now, reporting in Eastown, Lauren Lenzy, Fox 17 News.